Hello, hello. Mic testing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello, 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 hello. Super song.
With permission of your lordships, reference will be made on the passing away of late Mr. Ramlal Yadav, advocate, member of the Guwahati High Court Bar Association, and late Mr. Jamaluddin Chaudhary, advocate and member of the Guwahati High Court Advocates Association. May I first call upon Mr. Girin Pegu, Secretary General, Guwahati High Court Bar Association, to address the court.
My Lord, Honorable Chief Justice, Honorable Judges, learned senior members of the bar, members of the registry, and my dear colleagues. There is a saying that the life of the dead is kept in the memory of the living. And today, with profound sorrow and a deep sense of loss, we are assembled here to pay our homage to late Sri Ramlal Yadav, a distinguished member of the Guwahati High Court Bar Association, who departed for his heavenly abode on 2nd May 2026 at the age of 77 years. Late Sri Ramlal Yadav was born on 1st September 1949. He enrolled as an advocate on 1st August 1975 and became a member of the Guwahati High Court Bar Association in May 1976. For nearly 5 decades thereafter, he remained an integral part of this institution, serving the legal profession with dedication, dignity, and distinction. Throughout his long and illustrious career, he upheld the highest traditions of the legal profession. He was known for his integrity, fairness, humility, and unwavering commitment to the cause of justice. His advocacy was marked by courtesy and preparedness, earning him the respect of the bench and the affection of his colleagues. A lawyer's true legacy lies not merely in the cases he argues, but in the values he left behind. Late Sri Yadav exemplified the finest qualities of the profession: honesty, sincerity, discipline, and respect for the institution of justice. Many young members of the bar were fortunate to benefit from his guidance, wisdom, and encouragement. Beyond the legal profession, late Sri Ramlal Yadav was deeply associated with education and social causes. As president of the School Management Committee, Hindustani Kendriya Vidyalaya Gauhati, he contributed significantly towards the advancement of education and public welfare. His life reflected a deep sense of responsibility towards society and a commitment to public services. Those who knew him will remember him as a gentle, approachable, and dignified individual. His wisdom, kindness, and generous spirit earned him admiration across generations. With his passing, the legal fraternity has lost a respected advocate, a valued colleague, and a noble human being. While we mourn his passing, we also celebrate a life devoted to the law, education, and public service. His contributions and example will continue to inspire members of the bar for generations to come. His memory shall remain cherished in the annals of this association and in the hearts of all who have the privilege of knowing him. Late Sri Ramlal Yadav is survived by his beloved wife, Srimati Kalpana Yadav, his son, Sri Mayank Yadav, and his daughter, Miss Meghal Yadav. I, on behalf of the Gauhati High Court Bar Association, and on my personal behalf, convey our heartfelt condolences to the bereaved family. We share in this grief and pray that they find strength and solace in this difficult time. I further pray to the Almighty to grant eternal peace to the departed soul and courage and strength to the bereaved family to bear this irreparable loss. May his soul rest in eternal peace. Om Shanti.
Mr. Santam Khan, President, Guwahati High Court Advocates Association.
Honorable the Chief Justice, honorable judges present, respected members of the registry, respected senior members, and my colleagues of the bar. Today, we assemble here to mourn the death of Sri Jamaluddin Chaudhary, a senior member of Gauhati High Court Advocates Association, who expired on 5/4/2026. Late Jamaluddin Chaudhary was born in 1949 at Raha in the district of Nagaon to late Habibur Rahman. He did his early schooling in Raha and BA from Nagaon College and LLB from Nagaon Law College. After completing his education, he joined in Assam State Electricity Board, now APDCL, from where he superannuated as Senior Manager, Finance and Accounts in 2008. After his retirement, he joined the bar and started practicing in Gauhati, in the subordinate courts and the High Court, mainly in the civil side. He was an active member of our association till his death. He was survived by his wife, a son, and a daughter who was a civil servant. I myself, and on behalf of Gauhati High Court Advocates Association, pay my respectful tributes to the departed soul and convey my heartfelt condolence and sympathy to the bereaved family. May his soul rest in peace. Om Shanti.
May we now have the honor of reference by Honorable Justice.
My esteemed colleagues of the bench, Mr. Girin Pegu, Secretary General, Gauhati High Court Bar Association, Mr. Santam Khan, President, Gauhati High Court Advocates Association, learned senior advocates and learned advocates present here, members of the registry. We assemble here today in profound grief to mourn the sad demise of late Ramlal Yadav and late Jamaluddin Chaudhary, learned advocates of Gauhati High Court and esteemed members of the Gauhati High Court Bar Association and the Gauhati High Court Advocates Association, respectively. Late Ramlal Yadav was born on September 1, 1949 in Hojai, district of Assam. Following his foundational schooling, he pursued higher education in Gauhati, earning a master's degree in mathematics and a degree in law. After obtaining his LLB degree, he formally enrolled as an advocate in 1975 and became a member of the Gauhati High Court Bar Association in 1976. Over a period spanning many decades, late Yadav had built an extensive practice across Gauhati High Court, civil courts, tribunals, and Assam Board of Revenue, specializing primarily in civil, taxation, and revenue matters. Beyond his legal acumen, he was a responsible citizen who contributed significantly to the society, particularly in the field of education, where he served with distinction as the president of Hindustani Kendriya Vidyalaya, Gauhati. He was admired and respected by all for his dedication and his commitment for the cause of justice. Unfortunately, he passed away on 2nd of May 2026 in Gauhati, and he left behind his wife, 2 children, and a large number of grieving family members. Late Jamaluddin Chaudhary was born on January 1, 1949 at Raha in Nagaon district in Assam. He obtained his LLB degree from the Nagaon Law College. Prior to his legal career, he had served with distinction at the Assam State Electricity Board, retiring from public service as an assistant general manager in the year 2008. Driven by an innate desire to serve the cause of justice, late Chaudhary pursued legal profession post-retirement. He had enrolled as an advocate in the year 2009, joining the Gauhati High Court Advocates Association. For the next 17 years, he dedicated himself to legal profession wholeheartedly, establishing a highly successful practice grounded in absolute integrity, tirelessness, and mutual respect. Regrettably, on April 5th, 2026, at the age of 77, he passed away following a cerebral stroke and a cardiac arrest, leaving behind his wife, son, daughter, and daughter-in-law. Both late Ramlal Yadav and late Jamaluddin Chaudhary were held in the highest esteem by the bench and the bar alike for their professional integrity, unwavering dedication, and courteous courtroom demeanor. Their invaluable contributions to the legal fraternity and to the society at large will be remembered with profound respect and will continue to inspire generations to come. Their passing away represents an irreparable loss to the families, the legal fraternity, and the public at large. On behalf of myself, my colleagues on the bench, and the members of the registry, I extend our deepest and most heartfelt condolences to the bereaved families. We pray to the Almighty to grant eternal peace to the departed souls and to give their loved ones the strength and fortitude to bear this immense loss. As a mark of respect to the departed souls, I request all present here, members of the bar and the bench, to rise and observe 1 minute of silence.
Time.
The judicial work of this court shall remain suspended for the remainder of the day as mark of respect. The registry is directed to officially communicate a copy of these proceedings to and convey our collective condolences to the bereaved families.